bathi insight sigenile bakumshove. Ya sibingelele nonke amaswati lamahle nanonke abroad ke sasingenile ngura kuleli week. Siyabona ama games uqithi kakhulu udlala ama international games. Sibonile San Marino is a win since 2004. Game day ibole njalo njalo.
Yeah, it does look good for him.
Yeah. 2004. About 20 years later, you win your first match. Good. Now, one note.
Yeah. That was the name of win.
It's not your win. Oh, take a good
You know what? Nas calling that time, I'm going to Bissau.
Hey.
It's
a point.
Yeah,
but you are win. I'm not even 20 years. It's not so win. It's a shaman. So, what's in the club with a mark picture of the games?
Yeah, oh, so don't know.
Yeah, the sooner the locals are.
Yeah. The previous weekend was more than Pagapagala.
Hey, Walili man. Hey, Waligangani man. What's a mattress in your chapel? I not say that. Waligangani man. What's the problem, Papa?
Yeah, and
it's a problem.
And Lawunya Mama speaks to my resources in the organization of the team.
Yeah.
Mine for now I'm on the benchmark ye bola la ngwana. Na uthathe yona indlela ibhola lethe kakhulu.
Shothe kufuna sende njani sithandazele ukuthi bangehle ngoba phela the brink of going down it's the plus or minus kibo nje yabo.
Eish.
Ukuthi babandla ibhola lehle kangu. Okay, angake ngafika le trade yokubukela but nje ngobona the hype lapha nalapha ukuthi hayi no imboneni into lokuba kwale kancane nje na gcinekile Sunday only to find ukuthi ngibambane ama last minutes otherwise yona ngifisela ukubona one or two of lama matches because ngivile bathi Buffalo versus Mamba the world match of the tournament naleyo bathi hayi
yeah
bekhamana ayikancane
Slowe loyo.
Hayi no bayasho vele ukuthi no lo match bekumlokunye nje ushuke kakhulu. But nje asithembe ukuthi lemoneni le ndlela lecale ngayo yabo uzayi phathi ibholova.
Mina nje ngicabanga kwabo le8bet I know. Basithi kaze zagcina ukubona lokhu nje ebholeni.
Yeah. Nalokunye asiqale sagcina ukubona kule trophy ngoba nje yabo hayi no kathi agcina ukubona. The trophy sesijwayele ama-trophy la yeah la kanjalo yabona lana that thing but nje leyabo ibelekisha le appetite man yabo anyway sethi ngaba sacala mhlambe the time they will get isikhathi sekwakha i-trophy lereservisha bona yabo le image yabo because they are doing le ma-trophy besiwadlalela kuma-under 13
nasesikolweni.
Exactly. Yabo it's like you win that good team you win that trophy yabo it's not bad ukuthi win the trophy just nje
but nje mina aspect positives we got the positive side the way
organization yabo administration and everything
yes
nabo kuhle bona the only thing nje bashayele ngikhalile but nje benza nga understand ukuthi yamasemi nakadlala Saturday wesifana liba Sunday they should have rested the Saturday but at the same time
it's a weekend
yes yeah but now we kusho ukuthi bagcolela on those grounds but Friday was a holiday.
Yeah, okay.
So it was a long weekend, but either way, you know, it's not so negative. We will see what's next day then.
No, the Ebola design it doesn't have to compete with the show, the trade fair.
Okay.
On Saturday, there were some events. They were
oh, so we're not clutch somehow.
Yes.
How would they right? Show the budget that's like this, what ukaloba bathi hayi kubona phakathi yamamba nje kuMaxwell King kungazelala but iwana ama-free kick
the Premier League yona iyaqala
ayisube manje stopubela ngasilama team iphule 8bet ngiyabonakele ukuthi they are already hungry to play yabo
yeah some bayokuhlunga ukuthi imanzi ngaphansi ngasili kwathiwa lokusibolisha uyabantu kunakanye umshali
abasonde lapho sitokona kuchubekele empini otherwise ungabonile ama-fans nawo maningi wesele ama-fans and they're so enthusiastic yabo ethanda le team yabo and kuyabonakala ukuthi noma ingehla noma ingenyuka the support will still be the same yabo. So to an extent ngibonga ukuthi laba ama-national first division sponsors bafisile ukuthi yehle because itaba market yabo.
Uzoziphema na-MTN fisa bese lehle.
No na angithi ka-Prima na okay MTN ka-Prima first episode ka-MTN njalo ibona ngabona ngathi sesenziwa kakhulu like akayidadishe yonke but nje had it been a different sponsor yaba kuhle. At the same time kwaye nange-MTN angayutilize the chance of a big team coming down to market the league yabo ngoba nangabuka nje bo-English
Why ube positive usuke ube positive ukuthi ungaziwanda sitawa edlalweni?
no angisiyo ukuthi positive ngithi naye ngehla yabo ngithi MTN as sponsors they will love to have a big fish yabo. True. So to pull the crowds. Well, you want fans, you want guys standard. Swallows now, Highland and Money now, yeah. So those guys are crowd pullers. So it's a good and the Sheriffs have so tournament to be entertaining now.
That's exciting. I would think that we have a charity funding more than anything.
Exactly.
Unfortunately, yeah. But I never did anything with it. I was
ungabonga ukuthi umuntu following. Okay, i-problem actually yabakhona ukuthi nakuvodwa bese other teams basebenzisa advantage of maybe extra resources. Yabona ukuthi awuvota uyi-1 uvote ka-10,000 akusase true reflection because angeke uti-multiply 10,000 times nasekufika stadium physically so kumuntu ufika uyi-1.
But I'm thinking because you voted.
Sengisho kona ukuthi
imali yakho.
The reason I think bagedela ama-teams, I think they were trying to get to a point whereby the crowd pullers they must always be there. As I might be saying, in South Africa, i-Telkom charity yakhona bekuthiwa yini charity Telecom knockout. You've got Chiefs, you've got Sundowns, you've got Pirates. So those three they were expected to bahlale bakhona njalo. Then bese kungena yes4. But ke lama teams ase-South Africa aqala asayabona ukuthi hayi man, we all want to play there. Uyabo. eLimpopo they used to vote for one. Cishe bonke le province. Ku-Range Black Leopards yasipoko sashisa yake yagena. Ogijimisa abantu isipoko laphana adlalelile phana. Then say-Chiefs ngala, say-Pirates, say-Sundowns. But as time went on, bakhanzakala ukuthi hayi man, eLimpopo yangena i-team showcase. Nasekungena lenye kakhulu, let's say yabona i-Celtic, they have fans. So it comes with Chiefs, Sundowns and Pirates. Sakufuna kuphuma munye lapho. Yabo. So khona ngathi nje bagcina sebangena ngasemafundweni ngoba i-Chiefs
Then lo speaks to ukuthi ema-team aselabe nema-supporters no-friends. Baba investor. Uyabona nje manje ngapha just be honest. Manje wonders ema-support inawo ama-supporters more than friends.
So much.
Bantu labayifakayo imali ethimini. That is why ngevela buhlungu lendlela okwenteka ngayo. Nale ndlela okade ukuthi le-team iranishela ngayo.
So ba-investor kanzima results awasabi according.
Exactly. To
bese nama-returns kufuna be-positive.
bese bana le-administration ibanga lide yabona.
Hey. The kind of our skin, right?
Ibhethwe i-Premiership South Africa.
Yabo.
Ibuye this weekend probably.
Yeah, ngibona ukuthi Stellenbosch, Sundowns and Pirates ngosuku ba-18 bona. Nibo labantu abane-advantage ezilungiswe.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Angize beyi-activity in the past month or so. You know what's now the other official games, at least the match fitness counts. Stellenbosch in general so that final the Pirates not because the match fitness we might follow CAF tournaments. The account. Somehow we sebelele nayo positive.
Uyithini indaba ya German?
Hey. I'm very good child chase that one. You are born without any number.
Okay, beside
Yes.
le ndlela yena uzotenda ngathi u-Sky noma uyi-barometer yebhola nje badla kwe-Pirates because of yena washiya umshado wakhe ube nalamfundisako ngezayo lona
Right.
yena always uyakriticize nje yena nganaye nangibuka abunekadzeni bekagibele naye kwebhola sekuthi laba labanye sokungathi bathatha le-spotlight bagibela le bhola kangcono kwebulaye.
Mina program ngakutshela iqiniso, awuzange sengibe yifan yaNjomo Solo ever since I've known him in football. Yabo, vele kumathi kwami from afar, noma engingekushele nemuntu, bengimbuka ngelizwe lokuthi this guy has got a certain element of jealousy within him. Yabo, nangabuka ukuthi Jomo i-downfall yabafana people ababona bachecala kuyo.
Yabo is there.
Yeah, Clive Parker was good, winning Africa Cup of Nations. South Africa was designed, they were flying. But next tournament, Kababu 98 World Cup, which Clive Parker I qualified.
Yes.
One keeper, but all these other guys. Oh, we look like in the like, but Jomo had a hand up because in the next tournament, they won 98 AFCON. South Africa were defending champions. They lost in the finals. Jomo was the coach. And the first thing Africa national team, South Africa always had one crowd puller. Exactly.
The reason why he was doing that is because akafuna kube nelomelo above.
He's always had that kind of job. Yes, such also he played it Katsake. Let other people shine. They are shining has got nothing to do with you.
And because shining kushayela wena le pass. He's the coach. When the player shines, so why winner as a player, and so winner as a coach.
He likes the credit to put it high. Yeah, I remember interview about 96 AFCON. Angeke umume athi Clive was good at this, Clive was good at that. Yabo. He will always come and say kule match le I hate ukuthi bese mina ngabona ngathi uthi ngile game bake badlala South Africa one of the games. So nice like they're part of the backroom staff. So breaker ngakuthi wababita Dr. Mtshela athi this is our game. Yabo, you are the one to win it for us. Yabo. Akasa gave credit to Clive. Yabo, those kind of things. But when he was given the opportunity to coach Bafana, those things will chop out more.
Oh, that is the reason.
Yeah, but I mean, I'm not a big fan.
That is the reason why Jomo Cosmos, the Bahamas is the fate.
You can't be the coach, the owner, the bus driver, the kid manager, everything. No,
the scouts.
Yeah, exactly. He's too much business minded. Yabona nje Bafana nayodlala i-World Cup 2002.
Yeah.
He was the coach now. And he downfall yayona lapho still. My father very knew. He was more concerned about marketing his own players. There was a player there, but he wasn't that good. But another job more forced ukuthi angene Bafana ayodlala. To the extent the first game ukhumbula kahle 5 defenders like them, and everybody was like, what kind of system is this? Luckily enough, one player, then he have shape about one. But he never praises people. Steve Nokolia was good for Pirates. He deserved number 10. Was they were forced to wear matches, was about to go 111, so he could wear 110 then. Otherwise,
one thing another bad thing about this
is
Pirates. So I'm honoring
if people are open-minded, that's exactly where they should see the reality. Why give Teko a number 10 portrait in a Sundowns shirt when Teko was shining extraordinarily for Pirates? Very mean.
I've seen my predictions are this week. My team that wins South Africa.
Okay, when it comes to PSL, something additional. I'm not that much of a fan because South African football in that too many goals.
Okay,
But in J,
Mamelodi Sundowns, Down.
sometimes.
No, whichever team that down.
Whoever the opponent is.
Orlando Pirates.
Down.
Down.
Okay.
Or to Super Sports United.
The team in Nigeria, man, is a topsy-turvy team. It's never straight.
Yeah, but Down.
Okay.
I'm giving you those three.
But Super Sport. Okay, I mean I can add Stellenbosch, which they won't lose. I don't know about that, but yeah,
Stellenbosch.
match fitness wise back home.
Yeah.
So yeah, so you're gonna already move in motion. We'll go see Lava South start.
But still maintain a Baba as well as
Sundowns.
Sundowns.
Yes, that including 8 bets.
No.
Okay, when are some other friends as well over the weekend?
Yeah.
I would see the players were not happy. Administration somehow, but in Europe, I don't know. I didn't know to dig deep into it because most of the times my views about was factual. So, but the players somehow solved the game because there's something is not right within.
The problem with football, we always have reasons when the team is not doing well.
Okay, look. To be specific and straight, but calling a man, but parts. Let's say so was Jacob we win 600,000.
Yes.
What of what's about parts name, but half a million, they give their players 100 to share. Although Bakalas Bapat take a big chunk of the money than them.
Than the players.
Exactly. So Bakala logo. But all the players they were not happy with the game because the Balu's are open. Yes, but Jari. In that match, by and some home, but I don't want to believe it.
I don't believe what they're saying because the purpose we spend so much money taking care of the players, the welfare, and everything, and doing other operations of the team. Then to information it doesn't make sense.
No,
figure is an incentive.
Yeah,
way of motivating.
Okay, thanks to our players. I don't think we have professional contracts.
They do have
Contracts.
Yes, they do have contracts.
I recognize our as employees.
Yes, they do.
Yes.
That is why people can't yes,
if man contracts, there shouldn't be such disputes unless under stipulated clauses are because what I know in South Africa, most teams, but if the tournament is won, 10% of the prize money goes to the coach. Coaching staff or something like that. Yes, now what's something else.
So I'm sleeping a little more. Not clever, if they are giving all the stew to them and they clever, what totally was it? It's nothing to blame because we never pack with the power and still without blame a coach. This is bad bad.
The world show my phone this guy that I've got to Tottenham. One of it Glenn Hall or one of the English guys. They signed a South American striker. So in his contract, Nabasa draft, the striker's 80 clauses. For every goal I score, it's an extra £1,000 or £2,000, something like that. Also, the manager we are paying you £50,000 a week. Are we paying that for you to miss the goals? So for the legend, try my body. Position. Not to finally man.
People to finally man. So saying then the team do was
why don't quite a silly issue more on Sambona Ronaldo is doing something phenomenal. Right? I've been checking the statistics about yesterday or so. It's crazy. You can't be scoring 901 goals. Okay, that is fine. It's his career. Yeah, it's 901 already. Okay, I'm looking at the fact that Ozil take his numbers from age 30 to 39, which he is today, and those numbers are odd one. From nobody from age 29 downwards to level 18, 17 as I can. Just from age 30. You know those people of age 30 is outscored career ya Henry Wong, career ya Ronnie Wong, career ya who's this guy Benzema. I know that is crazy. What are them after turning 30 years? That's too much. Now you change positions about football. And as I try like career, I would play just like the other. Once I'm born, you will see Mbappe already Madrid. Mbappe never took me now. And you know, second guy very good. He still wants to run and Ronaldo used to run in the wing. Run, dribble, cross. But as time went on, as I called the kitchen, then he mastered the art of being a number 9.
Yeah.
So the numbers are crazy. I don't think
the debate of the goals goes on.
I know goat is always preference. You can use any variety variable and decent. It's always preference. But as long as I like A and I don't like B, whatever B can achieve. So it's always debatable. What are the criteria? Somebody will come and say yes, Maradona is the greatest thing. I mean,
there's no need to speak.
Exactly. Look at how I'm gonna pay. Now I beg my reasons. If I can come, then I'm okay. Pele is the greatest ever. Be like, what is Pele has won the World Cup 3 times. Won the World Cup 3 times. Good, amazing. I can't get me as you know, I am the greatest ever. I've won the which Liverpool does 8 times, and I've won almost every trophy in competition. Messi has won almost all of them. He's the highest winning footballer in terms of medals worldwide. As long as Ronaldo now he's 14, he claimed to bring that. I can't go Ronaldo. What's mean I've got 900 career goals. Somebody else not the one. So it's always about preference. It was about time, man. I think the sponsors finally came to their senses, because they've milked these guys over and over the years.
And also, that's last season.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
So, who's the front runner? Vinicius. What was the other one? Bellingham. Mbappe. Rodri. Go for Rodri. But knowing these things, what you call it? Those 3 Madrid players are finalists.
Yeah.
It's not Flores Pixana. Hey, Rodri Besimbogen. We need but what keep on the 3? What is it deserves it. It's the position, my brother. He doesn't play a match winning position, so his impact is not recognizable. Okay, but Mughal Portugal the other day. Now we know the 2 against Scotland. After the match, the only talk was about Ronaldo's goal. But he didn't make that much of an impact. Ronaldo played a very good game. This other guy, Maradona number 3, Martin Mendes, the one who crossed for the goal. Very good game. But there we even kind of talk. Even in Scotland, McTominay, a good game. But anyways, football is like that.
Okay, I think my predictions are
good.
Manchester United Southampton.
I'm going for a draw.
Tottenham
versus
Arsenal.
I'm not allowed to say Arsenal will lose, but it's scary. Well, Arsenal is going to the London Stadium. It's crippled. Declan Rice, red card. Martin Odegaard, injured. Okay, second maybe, just maybe, I will put my faith on Raheem Sterling to win the match for Arsenal. So I'll give Arsenal a 2-1 win, but it's scary.
That Man City versus Brentford.
We've had a surprise, is it a year or two ago, by Brentford and City won not.
Yes.
You never know. And as such games are my advantage in my team ranking over Brentford because City has scored a squad of maybe 75 to 80%, but international break. So the traveling of the players, I don't count Brentford becoming maybe 5 or 6. So the whole squad is rested at least support. So
But another
the
exciting,
surprises are always there.
but another exciting game. Brighton versus Ipswich.
Yeah.
It would be nice game to watch.
You think Brighton will lose that game?
No, it would be a
Very
nice game to watch. Now finally we will watch that game.
What do you mean? The same as
There will be no draw.
which is not the game last time I'm Leicester Palace. Yeah. Palace is playing Leicester and Leicester are fighters and Palace have to step their authority.
Okay, for me, they've never played Liverpool. That will
Then Liverpool,
against
Nottingham Forest.
yes, Nottingham Forest. That will Liverpool. Madrid. That will this time.
They're playing away against also that
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm not watching that. That will.
but they have to win.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, but my injuries.
Now some of my big teams of the international players because the big teams, the players, Liverpool don't say over the weekend.
Yeah.
Salah is here in Africa. Diaz down in South America. Those guys will return about Friday morning or so. About the fatigue. But again, anyways, they're used to it, they're professionals. But they go
They made Tottenham.
Arsenal,
Actually, corner kicks.
there'll be plenty for yeah, that's our money because Arsenal has got Sterling who's running, they've got Martinelli who's running. So probably yeah.
Then this food.
You gave me an no against it's over 2.5 balls.
Yeah.
Let's all go out on Saturday. Sunday, so about 3-4 games, yeah. It's Liverpool yeah win. Menu 2.5. Arsenal
Corner kicks.
10 plus, 11 plus, 12 plus. Anyways, around those figures up there. Okay, the fourth one.
I think Ipswich.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
the
it's
Ipswich,
not wrong.
yeah. I mean, I can add one game, put team to
Oh,
score.
I said Madrid.
Or Madrid. I mean, I can add one game. Girona is playing Barcelona. I think that would be a high scoring game. You know?
The last time, what 4 ones?
Yeah, in
That's
favor
it.
of Girona.
Yes.
Again, this time it would be a high scoring game.
So it's over 4.
Yeah, just 5 plus goals. 5 plus goals. Yeah,
5 plus.
Yeah, it's 5 plus 4.5, it's 5 goals upwards.
Yeah.
So I manage I'm going for 5 plus goals. Probably even 7 plus because Barcelona is scoring, they are flowing, and Girona will score. It's a tie. So that will be a high scoring match.
Hey,
Yeah.
hey, you wait for Mokori in the game.
I'm going to do this for more goals in Old Trafford than Anton. But anyways.
Yeah, but also, so why win any game?
But yeah, I play more like I win a goal. Like we be doing fixture, but that's in the FL Cup.
But what about competition at all?
At Old Trafford season soon.
Also, wait, what's that?
You are what the sport more Old Trafford than what's our boys say?
Yeah, now it's time to make tactics.
It's not about God. They have to.
Not that we don't grow up, but you know what's the other code?
I don't like him as a captain. They shouldn't have taken the captaincy from Maguire. It's more like Bruno who consented to CPR but stepping authority. The team he managed to win now.
I think it's all of no criminal experience.
Yeah, but not that way.
It's not a peer place.
Yes, the Indian team is so unsinging. I'm going to say I'm not thinking about Vinicius. Not as long as Spain i-reach kanje, they shouldn't be given the World Cup. I mean, come on, Vinicius. You are in Spain, playing for the biggest team in Spain. You can't be. Madrid wants the World Cup to come. The Madrid that is paying him. So Vinicius, I feel like he's paying his way out.
Liverpool has started talks with Salah. Following next is Alexander-Arnold and PJ Van
Congrats.
Yes, congrats.
As long as the stuff about slot, that's where slot so. But something in the hour that we never seen them in the actually I was there.
I think Madam Militao is probably used now about the
this is football in the top one. Nobody wants to talk culture.
Then if Lavan gets away was signing a contract, that will make Liverpool maybe in the transfer market.
And they're aging, guys.
Retaining your good players, good quality players, never call on the team. Long. But these players are not injury prone. They give results.
Okay, who gave me a Salah? If he can get this thing in Ronaldo, from being a winger to being a top man, a clever one. Salah is good. He can try. Now, as a point, we have to compromise. And again, the advantage is high. He's a very good goal scoring player. Yes.
Because the way guy was not so that in the post. So because the space
as yes. But yambona number so Adam. That's number 9.
Yeah, but
take Arsenal's theory again. He was never number 9. But he adapted and became one of the best number 9s in England. Now Ronaldo, he was never number 9.
I've been looking at Masani Zafena by Amorim and Fenerbahce. Osimhen,
I'm negative already. He's done and dusted.
No, not Osimhen. Osimhen is from
but they've got good players. Who is this guy from Juventus? They sent somebody from Juventus now. Who was it? Recently.
So in January there must be a possibility of Osimhen going to Chelsea.
I'm together.
I was watching opening here speaking about the Osimhen situation. It's a secret. Actually, it's about everything. But yes, even the salary and wages. I think it was minor details from the club because even now the clause that they've signed with the Napoli, they should see the Bangafan release clause
or the
about terms.
Oh, okay, but don't go to or whatever reason it is
to put up an open we are late. Because my teams are totally to negotiate money because
you need an Ivan Tone, just
Depay who signed in Brazil and the Netherlands coach said no changes. Sort of retire. Particularly when you're young,
that one is crazy. I know
it's part of it that you must not be.
Exactly. You know, we are sure that you don't like Steven program.
Yeah.
You cannot cite a league. I mean, France being against Belgium. Can't. No, he's playing there, but the first level in France.
He's playing Chihuahua.
Exactly.
And he justified it. Chihuahua, the team wanted him, and he was delivering at that time when he signed.
So at the end of the day, it's all about the player now.
I'm not sure because even private page, Nagasaki Liverpool to scars. But now it's video for scars in Liverpool. He was totally against it, but sombitile.
Abadala bafuna ini. Sometimes
Ngifana
ngifana
kamdlalisi even Chiesa now wakhuluma nalo we-chat
ukuthi bacela izinto kancane.
sicela because usafika
Tawukhanza kugcwele kodwa bakho bashadile ngayo mona. Uthonali nawo wavukile. Vukile emataliyane ngiyabona. Hayi.
I think lapho that's nganciphisa indzawo yestamina. Tonali umtimba wakhe sowuqine kakhulu.
Awuhle kakhulu but ke as a professional tawurikama.
And I was happy by the display of England. England is playing good football. Like, it's not boring.
Shorter than your coach is good. Uchubeka naye. Athi usese-preliminary stage ubambile for now.
It's just an interim coach.
Mhlawumbe wona isho ngokuthi u-interim.
In fact, imnenjajiswa ngama-troops akhe lokuthi labafana uzomana ngoma-21 incumbi yabo. So there is a community. Uyachubeka nje. It's just like Spain. It's done.
Yeah, it's been surprising. Try Switzerland 4-1. The red card. I know.
Anyways, as I mentioned, weekend.
Yeah, let's go watch the games, guys. Boy, on the weekend, the international break is over. And yeah, we'll need to do Monday on Friday, German.
Oh, hey, some people have been. But the way we want to go on Facebook, I don't know who's going to support the channel.
Okay.
I don't know whether I will use my personal number or what to just connect and
yeah, we can for now. I'll see.
But for now, I will try to see advocate lapha to support the channel because some are willing to support the channel in any way.
Yeah, no, at least it's number we active.
Yeah,
so it's not a problem. Anyways, guys, see you next week. All sasibona ama predictions ukuthi ahamba njani. Yabo. Bona but nje ningakhohlwa Girona and Barcelona high scoring match. See you next week all.
Thank you. Bye.